you can filter your vocabulary flashcards by a frequency range, or how many times the word appears in the Greek New Testament or the Hebrew Old Testament. Go to Tools, Filter, then click the checkbox for Filter Range, and enter the values of the range that you wish to display. Let's say we want to view vocabulary that appears 50 or less times in the Greek New Testament. I'll set my filter range from 1 to 50. Make sure that you've set to include all words in the vocabulary file, and also use frequencies in the vocabulary file. Then click Apply. Close the Review Filters window, and now you have a list of words that appear 50 times or less in the Greek New Testament. To remove the frequency filter, go to Tools, Filter, uncheck the Filter by Frequency range, click Apply, and then close the Review Filters window.